Welcome! Thanksgiving Day is tomorrow, and I'm popping in to show you how to make this no-bake pumpkin pie. Absolutely scrumptious and simple and easy to make. The ingredients you're going to need is an 8-ounce tub of Cool Whip, 1 8-ounce block of cream cheese, 1 9-inch graham cracker crust. I bought this in the baking section of the supermarket, and if you feel up to making one, you can do that too. 1 15-ounce can of 100% pure pumpkin. Make sure you get the 100% pure pumpkin. 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. A perfect dessert for your Thanksgiving day. In a mixing bowl, I'm adding that cream cheese. Add your granulated sugar and your pumpkin spice. Woo! That smells yummy. With the hand mixer, you're gonna beat this till it's nice and smooth. About a minute or two. Once you've got it nice and creamy like this, add your 100% pure pumpkin. The whole entire 15-ounce can. Back with our electric mixer, we're going to mix it in until it's well blended with the cream cheese. And be sure to use your spatula to scrape down the sides of your bowl. Now that it's looking like this, add your entire tub of Cool Whip. Now we're not going to use the mixer to blend in your Cool Whip. We're going to go ahead and use a spatula, and we're going to fold it in until it's lovely and combined and you don't see those orange and white streak. Oh, a simple dessert. Yes, it is, and very scrumptious. Now that you see no more white streaks or orange streaks, you know it's completely blended. So back with our graham cracker crust, we're going to start adding it evenly here into the bottom. And if you're thinking, can I make this pie the day before? Yes, you may, because this pie needs to be chilled 5 hours or overnight until serving. And it is absolutely the simplest, easiest, delicious dessert you'll serve on your Thanksgiving Day table. That looks scrumptious. Cover or put in a pie container and chill up to 5 hours or overnight before serving. I've had my no-bake pumpkin pie sitting in the refrigerator overnight. I'm gonna cut into it. It's very lovely and nice to cut into. Make sure you get all the way into that graham cracker crust. I'm over here. You can clean your knife in between cuts to make it a lot cleaner. And do it like this. Time to get it out. Ooh, and I know it's gonna be fantastic. Light, creamy, that graham cracker crust. And if you wanna jazz it up a little bit, a little whipping cream with some extra pumpkin pie spice. What a beautiful presentation. And here we go. Gonna give it a try. Oh yeah. Whoa, nice, light. That pumpkin really comes through with that pumpkin pie spice. I got you covered for your no-bake pumpkin pie this Thanksgiving. Give me thumbs up, leave me a comment. Looky here at that no-bake pie on the inside. Hit that notification bell to be the first to get my new YouTube food videos. Happy Thanksgiving, and I'll catch you lovely people later.